In this video, we're going to talk about the nervous system. The nervous system can generally be divided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The spinal cord is protected by a tissue called meninges, and if this is inflamed, then the disease is called meningitis. Now, peripheral nervous system, it's going to be cranial nerves, which are nerves coming straight from the brain, spinal nerves, which are nerves coming in out of the spinal cord. These are going to supply muscles and internal organs that are going to receive information from sensory receptors. So that's the basic dividing up of the nervous system. So if we want to get slightly more advanced, the human nervous system can be divided into, as we said, central nervous system, which is brain, spinal cord, interneurons, peripheral nervous system, which is sensory neurons and motor neurons. The peripheral can be further divided into somatic and autonomic. Somatic, which you need to know, is everything that's voluntary movement, so that's input from sensory organs and output to skeletal muscles that you can move voluntarily, contract voluntarily. The autonomic nervous system is going to be involuntary action, so that's like your heart muscle pumping, right? It's going to be input from internal receptors and output to organs, heart muscle, digestion muscles. And the autonomic nervous system is further divided into the sympathetic nervous system, which is your fight or flight response. So when you're stressed, when you're worried, when you're anxious, this is going to activate. And there's also the parasympathetic nervous system, which creates a relaxing response. So when you're just calm, you have more parasympathetic nervous system activity. One way to remember this is that the word para is here, and you can imagine para as a parachute, which is kind of slowing you down and you're relaxing. So that's one way to remember it.